All right, back out at the range today for a little extra work. We're going to talk about drawing a backup weapon, or this might be your primary weapon if your clothing only allows you to carry a weapon in a certain place. I'm wearing an ankle holster, and we're going to be accessing a weapon from that ankle holster, talking about how to do that. Again, follow all those safety rules. Be mindful of your direction. Treat all your guns like they're loaded. Finger off the trigger until your sights are on target and you're ready to shoot. Okay? Remember all those things when you're out here doing this. So I need to access a weapon that's on my ankle. Now, obviously, it's not an ideal location to carry a firearm, but it may be the only method I'm able to carry one, or it's a backup weapon. It's well concealed. Make sure if you do carry one on the ankle that you have a good holster that's going to hold it firmly in place, especially if you have to run or move quickly. You don't want to lose that weapon. So I'm going to show that to you real quick here. It's mounted in here on the inside of the ankle. This is a pretty firm holster here. It allows me to get a good grip on the weapon. The issue I am going to have is clearing the pants leg and staying focused on where a threat might be coming across here. So there's a couple of methods for doing that, and one is to take a knee. So I'd really kind of maybe want to have cover if I was going to do that. If I had no other option, I could drop to a knee. As I'm moving out to a knee, I want to grab hold of the garment and pull it up as high as I can get it. So this will allow me access to it without having to move a lot more of it out of the way. So I can grip it here. Not really, ideal. So if we're looking for other methods, I'd kind of prefer to stay on my feet. So when I do that, again, I'm going to reach down and grab the pant leg and pull it up as far as I can get it as I kind of step out. So I'm going to kind of take a lateral step where I can stay focused here and be able to access that firearm and get my grip on it so I can come up and re-engage my threat there. So we're going to try that live fire here in just a second once I get set.
All right, whenever you're ready.
All right, so here we go, live fire, drawing backup weapon. And this, in this depiction here, it's on the ankle, so we've got to be able to access it. Remember, grab hold of the pant leg and pull up on it to help you get it out of the way. I take a step forward, which helps me clear that. As I come down to access the weapon, I might have to pull a little more here. I come out and I'm able to engage my threat from this position here. Now, probably not the ideal method of doing things, but it's one way that I can access the firearm that I'm carrying there. So in a second, we'll show you that second method we talked about. All right, we looked at one way of drawing a weapon out of an ankle holster, kneeling down, stepping forward. You can see it presents some issues that you have to deal with, and the main one is getting the garment out of the way. So we're going to try another one where we stay on our feet and stay focused on that threat out there in front of us. All right, and I'm just going to kind of step to the side while I do this. Again, I'm going to reach down and grab the pant leg, and I want to really pull it up, and then I'm just going to take a step out. So this helps me expose the weapon for a little smoother draw this time. I want to keep my head up where that threat is and get a good shooting grip on the weapon, and I can access it from right here and be able to make good hits. Okay, and then I better move very quick because this is a little gun, doesn't hold a lot of bullets, so I'm going to have to do something else. Move to cover where I'd be able to reload this thing and get back into action.